In this video series, you can learn how to easily make photorealistic table lamps. Here we will see how to create 4 types of lamps. Usually, we use the regular modeling method to create a lamp. But here we will use the Blender Archmesh add-on for this. You can easily create a variety of lamps using the lamp object available in the Blender Archmesh. In this video, we will first get an overview of how to handle the lamp object in this Archmesh add-on. Then we will create lamps using this add-on, and then we will start setting up studio lighting for this. After setting the lighting, we create the material for the lamps, then we set the render settings and render these lamps. Here is the workflow of this video series.